STEAM education is an interdisciplinary teaching approach that integrates science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics to foster critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving, and collaboration. Unlike traditional education, which often treats these subjects separately, STEAM combines them to help students see connections between disciplines, solve real-world problems, and develop skills relevant to the modern workforce. For example, a STEAM project might involve designing an eco-friendly house engineering, calculating energy efficiency mathematics, programming smart features technology, understanding the environmental impact science, and creating a visually appealing design arts. Here are a few examples of STEAM education projects. 1. Eco-friendly house design. Science, understanding renewable energy sources like solar or wind. Technology, using software to design the house. Engineering, planning the structure for energy efficiency. Arts, creating an aesthetically pleasing and functional design. Mathematics, calculating the cost and energy efficiency of materials. 2. Robotics competition. Science, learning physics principles like force and motion. Technology, programming the robot using coding languages. Engineering, designing and assembling the robot. Arts, customizing the robot's appearance and interface. Mathematics, measuring distances, angles, and optimizing speed. 3. Garden ecosystem project. Science, studying plant biology and ecosystems. Technology, using sensors for soil moisture or an automated watering system. Engineering, designing raised beds or hydroponic systems. Arts, drawing garden layouts or creating plant labels. Mathematics, calculating planting distances, growth rates, and harvest yields. 4. Space exploration game development. Science, learning about planets, space physics, and gravity. Technology, developing the game using programming software. Engineering, designing the game's mechanics and logic. Arts, creating the game's graphics, characters, and backgrounds. Mathematics, programming game physics and scoring systems. The concept of STEAM science. Technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Education was developed as an extension of the original STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics model. The idea of integrating the arts into STEM was popularized by Dr. Georgette Yackman, an American educator. In 2006, Yackman developed the STEAM framework to emphasize the importance of creativity, critical thinking, and interdisciplinary learning in education, arguing that the arts bring essential skills like creativity, design, and problem-solving to the technical fields of STEM. Merits of STEAM education. 1. Promotes critical thinking, encourages students to analyze, evaluate, and solve complex problems using an interdisciplinary approach. 2. Fosters creativity, integrates arts with STEM subjects, allowing students to think outside the box and develop innovative solutions. 3. Enhances problem-solving skills, provides hands-on, project-based learning where students learn to identify challenges and develop practical solutions. 4. Builds collaboration, skills, encourages teamwork and communication as students work together on STEAM projects. 5. Encourages real-world application, teaches students how to apply academic concepts to real-world situations, making learning more meaningful. 6. Develops technical skills, provides exposure to technology, programming, design tools, and other digital skills essential for future careers. 7. Supports personalization, allows students to explore their interests within science, technology, engineering, arts, or mathematics. 8. Increases engagement, interactive, hands-on activities keep students motivated and interested in learning.